Dear students, now we will see another type of mobile middleware, that is mobile agent system. So almost all computer users have used mobile code whether they realize it or not, but the modern browsers support the JavaScript as well as Java applets and other executable content, and simply viewing web page results in execution of the associated mobile code. Means when the mobile code is executed, then we can see the resulting web page. A mobile agent system is a dynamic client server architecture that supports the migration of mobile application to and from the remote server. An agent can migrate whenever it chooses, either because it has accomplished its task completely or because it needs to travel another location to obtain the additional data. So in this case, the mobile agent is migrate from the client to the server to perform the operation. Okay, for example, if mobile user needs to search a set of database in traditional CS approach, which is the traditional CS approach, in this the client will send the request and the server will respond. So here the client have to perform the remote procedural call, that is the RPC call to the server. But in the case of mobile agent approach, this mobile agent will dispatch one or more application agent directly from client to the server or to machines close to the server. The agent then perform queries against the database servers, shifting the results to formulation, and then finally the mobile agent will return after completion its task. It return to the client. Okay, so the advantages of this approach is, if bandwidth available for this operation is limited, so in this case, and if the client have to perform the series of remote queries, so it requires the maximum bandwidth and it is most expensive. But because of the agent can execute a number of queries much closer to the server. Okay, so because of that it saves the bandwidth. Second thing is, continuous network connectivity is not required for, because if the client want to perform any operation, then that client will send the agent to the server, and when the agent reach to the server, it disconnect from the server, and then the agent will perform the operation on the server. When the agent has performed or completed its tasks, then again the client will connect with the server and the mobile agent will return at his home. So likewise, it is not necessary that client should be connected to the server all the time. So the advantages of this mobile agent system is, the limitation of single client computer are reduced. Second advantage is, the ability to customize applications easily is greatly improved. And the third benefit is, flexible disconnected operation is supported. That is what that when client wants to perform any operation, then it sends the agent to the server. After agent is reached at the server is connected with the client, means here the disconnected operation is performed. This agent will performing its task on the server, but at that time the client is not connected. When the agent perform its 100% operation, again the client will connect it to the server and the agent will go back with his result. So this is the disconnected operation and it is supported by the mobile agent. Okay, so thank you so much.